a culinary adventure discovering Chinese food. Chinese food, two words that conjure up images of steaming dumplings, fiery noodles, and aromatic spices. It's a cuisine that needs no introduction, a global phenomenon that has captured hearts and stomachs worldwide. But Chinese food is more than just a delicious meal. It's a journey through thousands of years of history, a vibrant tapestry of culture woven into every bite. From the bustling night markets of Hong Kong to the sophisticated restaurants of Paris, Chinese food has transcended borders. So, loosen your belts, grab your chopsticks or a fork, no judgment here, and let's dive into the delicious world of Chinese cuisine. A taste of the regions, from Beijing to Sichuan. Think of Chinese food as a vast continent, each region boasting its own unique flavors and culinary traditions. Cantonese cuisine, hailing from southern China, is perhaps the most familiar to Western palates. It's known for its delicate flavors, emphasis on fresh seafood and the art of dim sum. Moving north, we encounter the bold and spicy flavors of Sichuan cuisine. This region is famous for its liberal use of chili peppers and Sichuan peppercorns, which create a unique tingling sensation on the tongue. Up in the north, Beijing cuisine reigns supreme with hearty dishes like Peking duck. From the sour and spicy flavors of Hunan to the sweet and savory dishes of Jiangsu, each region offers a unique culinary adventure. So be sure to explore the diverse landscape of Chinese regional cuisines. Your taste buds will thank you. Plates of legend Peking duck, dim sum, and more. Now let's talk about the stars of the show, the iconic dishes that have become synonymous with Chinese food around the world. Peking duck, a dish that dates back to the imperial kitchens of China, is a culinary masterpiece. Dim sum, meaning touch the heart in Cantonese, is more than just a meal. It's an experience. Imagine a bustling restaurant, trolleys laden with steaming bamboo baskets filled with an assortment of bite-sized delicacies. And who can resist the allure of kung pao chicken? This Sichuan classic features tender chicken stir-fried with crunchy peanuts, fiery chilies, and tingling Sichuan peppercorns. These are just a few of the countless legendary dishes that await you in the world of Chinese cuisine. So come hungry and adventurous, your taste buds are in for a treat. Section 4. The magic behind the wok, key ingredients and techniques. The magic of Chinese food lies not only in its diverse ingredients, but also in the skillful techniques used to transform them into culinary masterpieces. The wok, a large, round-bottomed cooking vessel, is the workhorse of the Chinese kitchen. Its unique shape allows for quick and even heat distribution, essential for stir-frying. Soy sauce, made from fermented soybeans, adds a savory depth and umami richness to countless dishes. Ginger, garlic, and scallions form the holy trinity of aromatics, lending their pungent flavors to stir-fries, soups, and marinades. Chinese cuisine strives for harmony in every dish, ensuring that no single flavor overpowers the others. It's a testament to the dedication, passion, and centuries-old traditions that continue to shape this vibrant cuisine. Section 5. A symphony of flavors, the cultural tapestry of Chinese food. Chinese food is more than just a collection of dishes, it's a reflection of a rich cultural heritage that spans thousands of years. Take, for instance, the concept of yin and yang, the balance of opposing forces, which is central to Chinese philosophy. Food plays a central role in Chinese festivals and celebrations. During the Lunar New Year, families gather to feast on symbolic dishes like dumplings, representing wealth and prosperity. Meals are often served family-style, with dishes placed in the center of the table for everyone to enjoy together. So when you savor a plate of Chinese food, remember that you're not just experiencing delicious flavors, but also partaking in a rich cultural tapestry woven over centuries. Section 6, Beyond the Plate, Chinese Food's Global Legacy. From its humble beginnings in China, Chinese food has embarked on an extraordinary journey, captivating palates and influencing culinary traditions around the globe. Chinese immigrants, carrying with them their culinary traditions, have played a pivotal role in spreading the love of their cuisine worldwide. From the bustling Chinatowns of North America to the vibrant street food stalls of Southeast Asia, Chinese food has found a home in every corner of the world. Moreover, Chinese cuisine has inspired countless chefs and food enthusiasts, leading to innovative fusion dishes and culinary creations. It has sparked a global conversation about food, culture, and the art of bringing people together through shared culinary experiences. Chinese food is a testament to the power of food to connect, inspire, and bring joy to people from all walks of life. And that, my friends, is a beautiful thing.